There are few substances in nature which we can directly use. However, there are large number of things which we cannot use directly. In order to use them, we have to separate them by various methods. Today, we are going to see how to separate clear water from muddy water by the process of loading. At first, we have to know what is loading. The chemical alum is added to the muddy water to speed up the process of sedimentation. The alum attaches itself with the mud water and make them heavy so they settle down fast. Now let us see what we are going to need for this experiment. We will be going to need a glass rod, a funnel, a filter paper, a glass, alum and a beaker. Now we will put the alum into the mud water. After some time we will see that the mud is separating from the water. Now we can see that the mud has separated from the water. The mud which is at the bottom are known as the sediments, and the clear liquid above the mud is called supernatant liquid. Now we have got a suspension, and we can separate this suspension with the help of a glass rod and the filter paper. This process is known as filtration. The mud that is left on the filter paper is known as residue.